Understand this basic concept of PN junction diode. First we follow the block diagram. So this is your block diagram of diode. This side is P and this side is N. And we know that in case of P type, majority carriers are holes and electrons are the minority carriers over here. So similarly in case of N type, there is electrons are majority carriers and holes are the minority carriers. Clear? So these are the holes over here. Now we know that this one is our depletion layer, and there this side is positive ions and this side is negative ions. So obviously there is electric field. Now we think about the connection. We think about the forward biasing connection. So according to the biasing concept, we know when this PN junction diode is connected with battery, then the phenomenon is known as biasing. Basically biasing are two types. One is forward biasing and another one is reverse biasing. Now today we think about only the forward biasing. So from the concept of key points, first point is true connection. उसमें देखो ट्रू कनेक्शन में क्या है, पी साइड जो है उस कहाँ पर कनेक्ट होगा, बैटरी का पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल में. सो इफ वी अप्लाई बैटरी ओवर हियर, so this positive P side is connected with the positive and this N side is connected with the negative supply of the battery. Clear? So this side is your positive, this is your external supply and this side is your negative. So this configuration is called forward bias. Clear? P सप्लाई का पॉजिटिव में कनेक्ट रहेगा और N सप्लाई का नेगेटिव में कनेक्ट रहेगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड द ट्रू कनेक्शन. दिस मीन्स राइट कनेक्शन एंड दिस कनेक्शन इज कॉल्ड फॉरवर्ड बायस. क्लियर? बुझते पेरेছিস? हेलो, आई एम ऑडिबल?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in forward biasing, technically we can say in forward biasing means true connection. Means P connected with the positive and N connected with the negative. This is called forward bias. So here we'll see the block diagram. So from this block diagram, we recognize that this PN junction connected with the forward bias. Now we think about the, if we connect in this way, then what happen? क्या होगा ऐसा कनेक्ट करने से क्या होगा? Now we try to check. So second point in our key points, second point is that observe electric field. So if I give this type of connection, so look here, in the inner side of this PN junction, we already know about the potential barrier because this side is positive and this side is negative. So obviously there is a electric field from positive to negative side. Okay. Similarly for this potential, for this battery, there is also a electric field which is go through like that, positive to negative. So if we think about the concept of PN junction diode, without applying this, अगर ये सप्लाई को नहीं देंगे तो क्या होगा, इसका अंदर जो पोटेंशियल बैरियर है वो क्या करता है, इट अपोज द फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. ये क्या करता है, अंदर का जो पोटेंशियल है, मतलब तुम्हारा इम्यूनिटी जितना ज़्यादा होगा कोरोना से खतरा नहीं है. ठीक है? तो मतलब ये PN जंक्शन का अंदर जो बैरियर है ये अगर स्ट्रांग रहेगा तो इसमें कोई करंट फ्लो नहीं होगा. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to get some current with this component, so obviously बाहर से क्या करना होगा, obviously we
Potential
apply large voltage, those voltage cut this potential. Okay, so देखो अभी यहाँ पर हम लोग जो सप्लाई दिए हैं उसके इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड किधर जाएगा, फॉर पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, और यहाँ पर देखो पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव. सो अगर दो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, एक ऐसे जा रहा है और एक ऐसे जा रहा है, फॉर एग्जांपल मान लो कि ये 100 न्यूटन पर कूलम, ये 100 न्यूटन पर कूलम में जा रहा है इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, न्यूटन पर कूलम, और ये भी मान लो कि तुम्हारा 20 पर न्यूटन पर कूलम में जा रहा है, न्यूटन. तो इसका जो रिजल्टेंट बनेगा, वो कितना होगा
सर 80.
Anybody?
80.
चैट में लिख. चैट में लिखो. वेरी गुड. बिकॉज उल्टा साइड में इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड होगा तो क्या होगा, ये डिक्रीज हो जाएगा. ओके, सो from the second point we recognize the electric field. So if the resultant electric field is reduced, what is the meaning of that? That means we can reduce this width of this depletion layer. We think about this. Look here. First condition, there is a depletion layer like this, and this is your potential barrier. This is higher potential and this is your lower potential. So we can say, if you assume this is our width, so initial condition width like that, but if we apply potential, means external supply, then we'll get the resultant electric field will reduce. That is mean due to that the depletion layer is reduce, डिप्लेशन लेयर का वेट भी कम हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो उसके वजह से जो पोटेंशियल बैरियर है वो भी कम हो जाएगा. पहले जितना था उससे कम हो गया, मतलब ये जो डिप्लेशन लेयर है वो कम हो गया. अगर डिप्लेशन लेयर का वेट कम हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा, यहाँ का जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है वो इजीली मूव करेगा इधर, यहाँ का जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है वो इजीली मूव करेगा. तो दैट्स मीन टू स्वीप द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स टुवर्ड्स द होल्स. ओके, सो if we apply external supply, then what happens, the width of the depletion layer will decrease, and that's why the electrons are swept from inside to p side. That means we can say sweep the electrons toward the holes or diffusing the electrons. Okay, समझ में आया? अगर ऐसे होगा, डिफ्यूजन शुरू होगा तो मतलब क्या, करंट फ्लो होगा. समझ में आया?
यस सर.
ओके, थर्ड पॉइंट क्या था? कोई बताओ.
सर पोटेंशियल बैरियर डिक्रीजेस.
थर्ड पॉइंट था पोटेंशियल बैरियर डिक्रीज. सो देखो
Yes,
यहाँ पर
sir.
क्या हुआ है, यहाँ पर देखो क्या हुआ है. When we apply this supply, then what happened, the depletion layer will be decreased due to the resulting electric field is less. That's why the potential barrier also decrease, and due to that, if we apply the small amount of energy, means small amount of voltage, the electrons from the inside is easily moved to the p side. So when electrons move, then we know that current is generated. Clear?
Yes sir.
Okay. So now this is the block diagram. So if we think about, okay, फाइन. फर्स्ट फोर्थ लास्ट पॉइंट क्या था देखो, लेस एनर्जी इज रिक्वायर्ड टू इलेक्ट्रॉन फॉर कॉन्टिट्यूशन ऑफ करंट. सो यहाँ पर इफ पोटेंशियल बैरियर अगर कम हो जाएगा तो ज़्यादा हल्का सा धक्का देने से क्या होगा, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मूव कर जाएगा. ओके, so you have to remember these 4 points only. So if you are able to remember that 4 points, then you can easily explain the bias forward biasing of a p-n junction diode. Okay, so now we think about the circuit diagram. What happened? So the symbol of this p-n junction diode is like this. This is the symbol. This one is the symbol of diode. There is another end is called anode, and this side is called cathode, and this side is also called your p side, and this side is called your n side. Actually this circuit is a practical circuit diagram. ये सर्किट जो है ये प्रैक्टिकल के लिए यहाँ पर प्रैक्टिकल करके देखना पड़ेगा क्या होता है. हाँ, so from this circuit diagram we can recognize how this diode is work, or what is the characteristics of this diode. समझ में आ रहा है? ये एक्चुअली प्रैक्टिकल सर्किट है. तो प्रैक्टिकल सर्किट में हम लोग देखते हैं नॉर्मली क्या होता है. सो from this circuit diagram we try to recognize the V and I characteristics of a p-n junction diode. Okay, so that's why we configure this component in this way. So look here we want to find the V and I characteristics. V and I characteristics of a p-n junction diode in forward bias. Keep in mind, in forward bias. So look here, I try to recognize it is a forward bias or reverse bias. So look at this P side is connected with one minute. This P side is connected with, this is your rheostat, or you can say variable resistance, and this one is connected with that positive terminal. So that's been, from this you can recognize that P side is connected with the positive and S side is connected with the negative side. So we can say easily it is a forward bias configuration. Now our aim is that we have to find the voltage and current. Here voltage means voltage drop across this diode. And to measure this voltage, here we use a voltmeter. This is your voltmeter, which one is connected in the forward parallelly. If you want to measure the voltage for a particular component, we use the voltmeter in parallel connection. Now we have to measure the current. So if we want to measure current, look here, this current is connected with a serial. Okay, this is your milliammeter, or you can say ammeter. This is your milliammeter. Okay. So now when we perform this experiment, that time you can see I make a table over here. So when you want to perform any experiment, then obviously we need some table. When we want to plot sum versus something, so here we want to plot VA means forward voltage, A means forward voltage, and IA means forward current. And we assume this diode is made by silicon. This diode is made by silicon, and its number is IN 4007 4007. Remember it. General purpose diode is IN 4007. Okay. And this is the symbol. This is the symbol of a diode. This is the symbol of a diode. One side is anode, another side is cathode. You already see that that type of component in your workshop lab. But when you perform this experiment, then you can recognize which one is your positive terminal, which one is your negative terminal. Okay. Now we try to identify the voltage and current relation. So when you voltage drop across diode, that is zero, that time no current. If we apply if we get a 0.1 electrovolt in this diode, that time current also 0. 0.2 current also 0. 0.3 also 0. So like that 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, because we know that the voltage drop across this diode is, if it is silicon, then its value is 0.6 electrovolt. Okay. So when 0.4, then we will get some current, 0.5 will get some current, and 0.3 will get 3, and after that we will get a large amount of current. So if we draw its plot, so it's seen that this X is your VA, forward voltage, and this is your current, forward current IF. And from the given table, we recognize that when point voltage V0, this side, this point is 0. I change this color. At V0, there is current also 0. At 0.1, current also 0. At 0.2, current also 0. 0.3, current also 0. 0.4, we will get little bit current. 0.5 we get also little bit current. So after 0.6 we will get a current. So if we draw the graph, then we can see okay. বুঝতে পারছিস? চ্যাট বক্সে লেখ,
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
একটু চ্যাটে লেখ। If you have any doubt, you write in your chat box. Now show the notes. Look here. This is your note. The types of current, this is the previous class topics. Now in this class, biasing of diode. Okay. With your connection, you have to check that connection, which is a forward bias connection and reverse bias connection. Then you recognize the working under forward bias. Forward bias में क्या होता है? And their connection and how electron flows. रिवर्स बायस में कैसे होता है, उसका ग्राफ कैसे बनता है, कहाँ पर यूज होता है. देखो यहाँ पर देखो VI characteristics of a diode. In this class I just discuss about only the forward bias. Okay, you remember that. यहाँ पर देखो सब दिया हुआ है इसमें. देखो यहाँ पर जो मिला है, ये जो ग्राफ मिला है, this is the forward bias connection. Okay. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
किसको समझ में नहीं आया वो लिखो चैट में। ঠিক আছে আজকে রাখছি বুঝলি।
ओके सर।
अच्छा
ओके सर।
समझ में
Thank you,
आया तो
sir.
नहीं तो व्हाट्सअप कर देना। हाँ
ठीक है सर।
ओके
ওকে চল আমি সুইনিকে পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি নোটটা আর অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স শিটটা। হ্যাঁ
अच्छा
চল।